Hello everyone, welcome to this complete walkthrough of Zoho Apptics MCP Server, which enables seamless integration between Claude and your Zoho Apptics analytics data. In this video, I'll show you how to set up the MCP server, connect it to MCP client, and use it to query and analyze your product metrics directly through AI-powered conversations. So let's get started. Let's create our first MCP server. First, navigate to Zoho MCP platform at mcp.zoho.com. You will see a welcome screen that says create your model context protocol server. Give it a name for your server and click create server. Once you have entered the name and have clicked the button, the system will now set up your MCP server environment. Great. Now that we have created our MCP server, let's get started by configuring it. So on the left sidebar, you can see three options: Tools, Connect, and Connection. First, click on Tools, which lets you to configure the tools, and then click on Configure Tools. Search for Zoho Apptics, click on it, and you will be presented with a list of tools. For example, get active device status, get API status, get all event stats, get crashes by date, get crash list, and more. Select whatever tool you want. And finally choose Add Now. Your tools are added to the Apptics MCP server now. After adding the tools, the next step is to connect our Apptics MCP server with the MCP client. Zoho MCP gives out-of-the-box instructions for 4 most widely used MCP clients such as Claude, Cursor, Windsurf, and VS Code. For our demo, we'll go with Claude. So the instructions are given. We have to navigate to claude.ai/settings/integrations, and we just have to follow the steps given. Now that we have configured our MCP server, let's connect it with the MCP client. For this example, we are taking Claude as an MCP client. Let's get started. We go to Settings and choose Add Connectors, and we choose Manage Connectors and Add Custom Connector. We give it a name and we paste the remote MCP server URL provided by Apptics MCP server, and we add it. After adding it, we have to authorize it by clicking Connect. After authorization, we will be redirected back to the MCP client, and now we can see that it has been configured successfully. We go to New Chat and we start asking our queries. For example, can you list available projects in my Apptics account? Yes. And we can also ask questions like, I want to analyze the data from pilot project. Can you help? I am interested in the events that happened in the last 7 days. client goes, communicates with the MCP server and brings us the relevant data. That's MCP for you.